you because a research amaya a proving. Research amaya who say politicians strive on separation. Also no kroya. Almost say aduane ni Ghana. Mami a wo hwe me. Man yo hu ndisi ni ntwatro. This year uko odwa so me pacho na aduane ni ho ana. Na aduane wo ho. Ati ase. This year aduane e ba yankasa. Adkudinti a mekasa say ni say me gina ho no ne ama bebre na me ye ni secretly underground wo Ghana. Enye ni na metumi di ayeden e de ato aha say. But enkrofo e ko Ghana me say enkrofo e free kromu ha. Me na for NDC for before omo Volta now. Almost say come and look at the place. Come and look at the place. I say Charlie, this your MPP government, they are serious. So my brother, come and look at my place. I have asphalt in my village. Avram Bemose nim say mama menka se minchira mo. Me pa chaw. Akufo Addo 2017-2018. Edia na NDC for kan. And on see she, on she, on constructive she, Mahama infrastructure king. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kofabai. Ekwa fast delivery truck and buy us say the Oka se why you bet to me who can verify pay and omo come anu too. E-blocks. Yeah, can e-blocks no. Now me jene say at least and come bet to me asimu bi kura wi. But everybody knows the record is there clear. Avram Bemose nim say you compare record to record. Akufo Addo Bawumia government is the best government. Na me beka asem bi akere mo. Some aka chem say this year ekono ye nche condom bio. Ye ka fact. Some of no kure no ni history no yeah. But take it in with a pinch of salt. It will help you. Okay? Now let me tell you. Avram, if you want to hate MPP, let me teach you the party that you can hate. And I won't mind words. Me no know one off. Mr. Momon fan cheme, but I'm coming to you guys. Because of Sakwasia Moshe Nintino. Within the Moshe into all of a sudden UAE. Within the Moshe into all of a sudden we are Mosini. Sha, Mama menka se minchira mo. Ebre bi a twamuko. Eya north for Mutie, northern region. Omunya a son of the land. Ah no nima dear scholar nimua. Am I yet to Abama and they say Enkruma bedibi. Buzi anuma bedibi. Other ones ni na bedibi. Mutie, omuni na bedibi. Ebraso say yen nuanom e wosire mu ho no yen try omoso omadwene e wa membu mu enu nti Ghana fo eye den eto abadiji Dr. Hilary man say wonu free sire mu no won beye ye president na ombedi yanim afetie fuck Biskana na prempe he say fool there's no need to mention him please let me stay focused. Now, Tamwa. Oh, Timo, I beg you, Timo. My people are waiting. Timo, you can join me right now. Let me add Timo Media, one-on-one. Or see Onyame obe finish me, meba. Let me find Timo Media. Menyane. Timo, don't run away. I'm adding you right now. Come and show me what you would show me to end my career. Timo Betrayal.
Na mo aigbefo na mo yedie na capital first capital of Ghana yedie enye ke Ozenje Gold Coast fanti former kasa Enkrafo makasa. Enkrafo mo nkache mo se mo Igbefo mo nko mo krom. What is Enkranya ka say, oh, we are Santini ko ni krom da. They are not ready. We are united now. All we are facing, the problem we are facing in Ghana is because of you. It's because of your leadership. It's because you people are not conveying. You people are not telling the president the truth. Say, hey, my president, seriously, when you come to the ground now, the ground ain't you good because the people are angry with you. So the best we have to do, let's find a topic. Let's find discussion. We call them. We sit them down. We talk to them. That is why we need people. We need presidents. Hey, me because Mahama, I don't have problem with Mahama, but Mahama any problem say unya power no Mahama abusing the power by not talking to people. Mahama thought say I will use only my brain. Mahama uni minyans and seeing je enye airport pe NHS say when you see odo kakra sika kakra. So when you have the government money and you're using to build roads, as you're building the road, you're building the airport, you're feeding your people, because by right it's the same money you have to use part of it to give them shelter, clothing, and then food. But you won't tell us to say, listen, all I am doing is I'm building airport, I am building roads, and Timudia Munko. So by the time I say, why the airport not the whole population, so I am telling you that doesn't make sense, because the British people will not starve people and then make something happen, but rather they feed the people. While they are feeding the people, they are doing what they have to do. Ghana, what we have to do is, while we are thinking about economy, the economy, we are thinking about the people, what the people are going to eat, what they are going to wear, what they will put their head. But when you say you have to shut it up, then you tell the Mosi people that they are not Ghanaians, to go back to their villages. Please, Adoye, Greater Accra is not a well land. Where you live now, hey, baby, out is Siano, me patro, and before Diao, we are Igbeni, move from Accra and go back to your village. Then I'll know, say, yeah, we are proud of Igbe, but you won't leave your Igbe people there, you won't insult them, but you come rather and then tell somebody you're all living in Accra. Wouldn't say, I can't, and also your passport. You have to give you, and the COVID test, yes, say, what the wife say, be or say, my passport, say, Ufia Igbe, no pack bone, no do motorway in the pay. You have to stamp your passport before you enter Accra. But because now everything is okay for you people, so you had the effrontery to tell Obiso Emosini, my foot.
Okay, Abraham, me say, me didn't know time. That made so me pass. Why you to grab them in Bassam upon Ghana? Ya set TV so and I said radio so. I jam the bed will grow myself wrong. What damn more being to me can't no? Eh? Akwa we would nam committee 2 jin kwasi asem ni na nam hodom me so was twan ho obefe ne ho nyanyanyan sa ejimi nya ano edi Ghana mpedinfo atem. What kind of woman be are you? Hwe eti wonum se Ghana mpedinfo ajimi na wo obi ajimi se ye kra banche eba dabro onim ne ye de banche ogroma ho wonim se wo ye can say a beer, you can say a factory or chromazi. What could be such a beer? Club beer this stuff for no, dear, I don't believe your movie. That is a demand in the country, and yeah, that bank, and one would say Yakra Banchi. A free crop of flosso, and you have a good gather drum, I see a tonda. Where you Jimmy for?
Yeah, thank you so much. I love this part. Bantia Seminole Canon. I love that part. You know why? Because, like I said, if Ghana can't produce enough of cassava, what do? You encourage more people to plant cassava. Now,